3, 2, 1, now.
Point complete. Settings verified, clear to arm and run, right turn for left roll.
Right turn, left roll.
Point complete, reviewing data. Clear to arm and run, right turn for left roll.
Right turn, left roll.
Point complete, reviewing data.
Control FQ, that was a good maneuver.
J showing 281, 4335, 0.98 Mach.
Control copies.
Okay, let me go ahead and reset bingo to 2.7.
Copy, resetting bingo. Wings level push, cleared, push.
There he goes, coming on down to us. Leveling off.
Expected.
Just getting his jet
Point
oil.
complete, reviewing data.
Okay, gear in 5, 4, 3. Okay, red light in the handle, brake degrade. 3,
Expected.
green.
Alright, that's 859, 4-mile final with the gear full stop.
SC59, flight runway 23 left, wind 230 at 16 gets 22, clear for the option.
859.
Good transition.
Thank you.